There's one thing I forgot to mention. I'm gonna start it before and see what it sounds like, see how fast it starts. And then after I put everything in, distributor, spark plugs, I'll show you how it starts. See what the difference is, or if there's not any at all. Okay, we got some parts here from Steiner Parts, and I believe they are the spark plugs and stuff in the distributor. And today we are gonna get the distributor off, we're gonna get the spark plugs changed, and probably should be about it. Yeah, basically all distributor work, show you around in it, and then spark plugs. So, I'm gonna open this box. My voice is kind of low, I'm sick. Okay, I got that box open, and we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spark plugs, and then we got our distributor kit, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I got all the spark plugs in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next I'm gonna take off the distributor, which I believe is just take this off and take this cord off, I believe, and then these two down here, and then this is why I'm taking a video of it so I remember where that is and where the timing pin is. Just videoing it so I can look over, and yeah, that's next. Okay, we got a distributor here. Got our candy that came in the box. I'm gonna look at this. American made cow's tail. Chewy caramel with a cream center. I think this says, I don't know. Something expires, I don't know when. Let's see how it is. Smells good. Very good. It's probably expired. Let's get on to this distributor. I'm gonna clean it out. Doesn't look too good in there. Grabbing my new parts here. Boom, whoops, boom, and boom. Let's get them out. Let's get the gap in there. Got my .20 set. And let's do this. So this is kind of the aftermath of what parts we took out. And there's one of the parts that we took out. This is the other point part, the spring to it right here. The spring is really stiff, but that's nothing to do with anything. But there's some wear right here. If I can focus. Some wear right here. The part that rubs against the actual distributor timer. And then the part that rubs against the point to make contact and spark. And then here's the other piece that goes right there to it. The other contact, it's really black. If I wanted to, I could have just shaved those off, but why not buy the whole thing? Because this is what usually goes bad on distributors and tractors these days, I'm assuming. Well, in the past, this is what has gone bad. And then I've also replaced the tab up here. And yeah, that's what came in the kit. And then this awesome candy here. Because that's really good. I already get the other one. And if I come over here and show you the distributor. Oops, there we go. It's all in, whoops. And got the spark plugs in, got the distributor in, all the points in. I got the candy in my mouth, I'm chewing it. I barely talk at the same time. And yeah, I think that's it, or we're gonna go on to another thing. So yeah, this is the end of the video, and we'll come back to something next time, or yeah. But I want to also show you stuff down here. This oil pan leaks up here at the seams in the corners. Whoops, I can't. On the corners up here, on the gasket. I'm not quite sure what leaks back there yet. Over here, the cover leaks right there. That bolt in the center of the screen. Can't get my arm back there. That leaks, drops onto the 3-point hitch and drops onto the ground. And if I come over here into the back, got the third leak. Oil leak it is, at least. It should be back here. You guys can barely see it probably. That's where my camera is. It's up there. It's up there somewhere, I don't know for sure. And then the clutch is a little bit wary, I should say. I think there's a lot of wear on the disc, and there's not much travel time in between, so it's really touchy. Either it needs adjustment in there, or I need to split in half. I talked to somebody already, and they said split in half, but I'm not gonna jump the gun. And then the PTO. I have no idea, because the lever doesn't work for it, that's for sure. PTO is always spinning. When RPMs go up, the PTO spins faster, but this lever is never on or off. If I turn it on, the PTO will spin at the same rate. If I turn it off, it'll still be on. So those are my main two problems right now. I'm assuming I just fixed the third one, which was up there, and I need to start the tractor again and show you guys that. As you can tell, I think it runs much better. It starts better. I can say that for sure. It starts better. I think it does. Sounds like it does. It does a lot of things better. A lot. It idles better. Last night I was messing around with it and it idled a lot better. It could hold at 500 RPMs and when it jumped in between lower than 500 and above. Yeah, I think it did great. So, if you guys like this video, subscribe, like it, I don't care. It's just, I enjoy doing this, and who knows, it might be a career, but you know, no one's watching it, so, yep. Well, have a good night, evening, morning, and goodbye.